Line Industries, we don't see endings, we see new beginnings. Our purpose is simple yet profound: to take what's old, tired, and forgotten and give it a brand new life. We're in the business of resurrection, specifically for power bikes. This isn't just about recycling, it's a full-blown revolution on two wheels. Every day, lorries pull up to our sprawling facility, their beds filled with the ghosts of the open road. These bikes have seen it all: cross-country journeys, daily commutes, and perhaps a few too many rainy days left out in the yard. They arrive as scrap, but in our eyes, they're pure potential, waiting to be unleashed once more. The initial inspection is a critical first step, a bit like a triage unit in a hospital. A team of seasoned mechanics, folks who can tell a bike's life story just by the wear on its tires, gives each machine a thorough once-over. They're looking for anything that can be salvaged, any parts that have miraculously survived the ravages of time and use. Some components might be rare, others just remarkably well preserved. These few lucky parts are carefully removed and set aside for a different kind of restoration. The rest of the bike, however, is destined for a more violent, yet equally important transformation. It's a dirty job, but it's the honest start to every new power bike we create. Once a bike is stripped of its few salvageable treasures, it moves on to the main event, the breakdown. This is where the real muscle of our operation comes into play. Massive hydraulic machines, which we affectionately call the crushers, await their next meal. With a deafening crunch, these powerful presses smash the old frames and engines, breaking them down into more manageable pieces. It's a loud, messy, and incredibly satisfying process to watch. The goal here isn't just destruction, it's deconstruction. We need to separate the different materials, sorting the valuable iron and steel from the plastic, rubber, and glass. The next stage is a marvel of automated sorting. A complex network of conveyor belts carries the shattered remains of the bikes through a series of intelligent separators. Powerful electromagnets hum overhead, lifting the ferrous metals, the iron and steel, and pulling them onto a separate path. Air jets blast away lighter materials like plastic and rubber, while sensors identify and divert other metals like aluminium and copper. It's a chaotic dance of machinery, all perfectly choreographed to ensure that every last scrap of metal is categorized correctly. What was once a singular recognizable power bike is now a collection of raw materials, ready for the furnace. The sorted piles of iron and steel now embark on the hottest part of their journey. They are transported to the foundry, the molten heart of Line Industries. Here, colossal electric arc furnaces wait to do their work. The air thrums with an intense energy as workers, clad in silver protective suits, oversee the process. The scrap metal is loaded into the furnace, and with the flip of a switch, thousands of volts of electricity arc between giant carbon electrodes. The temperature inside skyrockets to over 1,500 degrees Celsius, a heat so intense it can melt a lorry engine in minutes. The metal begins to glow, first red, then orange, then a brilliant, blinding white as it transforms into a liquid state. This molten metal is more than just melted scrap, it's a blank slate. While it's in its liquid form, our metallurgists get to work, refining it to perfection. They take samples and perform real-time analysis, checking the composition of the fiery soup. Based on the data, they introduce precise amounts of alloys like carbon and manganese. This process, known as seasoning the steel, is what gives our new frames their signature strength and durability. It's a delicate science mixed with a bit of industrial alchemy. We're not just reusing old iron, we're fundamentally improving it, engineering it to be stronger and more reliable than it ever was in its past life. Once the molten steel meets our exacting standards, it's time for casting. The glowing liquid is poured into large molds, forming thick, solid blocks of recycled steel known as billets. These billets are the foundational building blocks for our new power bike frames. As they cool, they harden into incredibly dense, strong pieces of metal, each one containing the spirit of hundreds of old bikes. It's a powerful sight, watching this raw, untamed liquid metal being tamed and shaped into something with a clear purpose. These solid billets represent the successful transformation from chaotic scrap to ordered potential, ready for the next stage of manufacturing. From the casting area, the still hot billets are moved to the shaping department. Here, a combination of robotic precision and human oversight takes over. The billets are reheated to a malleable temperature and then pressed, stamped, and extruded by enormous hydraulic machines. robotic arms, guided by sophisticated computer programs, bend and weld the newly formed steel tubes into the iconic shape of a power bike frame. Sparks fly as welders fuse the joints, ensuring every connection is seamless and strong. This is where the soul of the new bike truly begins to take form, rising from the ashes of the old in a shower of light and heat. With the frames forged and welded, they arrive at the main assembly line, a place humming with organized and purposeful activity. This is where our recycled steel skeletons begin to get their skin, muscle, and nerves. The first stop is the paint shop, a state-of-the-art dust-free environment. Robotic arms with the grace of a painter apply several coats of primer, base color, and a protective clear coat. The colors are vibrant, the finish flawless. It's a mesmerizing process that transforms the raw, gray frame into a gleaming piece of art, ready to have its identity built upon it. Each frame emerges with a shine that promises speed and quality. Next, the freshly painted frames glide down the line to the component stations. Here, a beautiful partnership between skilled technicians and advanced robotics unfolds. Robots handle the heavy lifting, precisely mounting the engines and transmissions into the frames. Meanwhile, human hands perform the more delicate tasks. Technicians meticulously install the suspension systems, wire the complex electrical harnesses, and fit the fuel tanks. It's a symphony of man and machine working in perfect harmony. Every bolt is torqued to exact specifications, and every connection is double-checked, ensuring the core of the bike is as robust as it is powerful. The bike is now starting to look like a proper machine, but it's still missing its brain and senses. This is where the high-tech components come in. Specialists carefully install the digital dashboards, the advanced GPS navigation systems, and the powerful LED lighting. They connect the anti-lock braking systems and traction control units, integrating the cutting-edge technology that defines a modern Primeline power bike. These aren't just add-ons, they are integral parts of the bike's nervous system, designed to provide the rider with unparalleled safety, control, and information on the road ahead. Finally, the bike reaches the finishing touches station. This is where its personality truly shines through. The comfortable, ergonomically designed seats are bolted on, the sleek body panels are snapped into place, and the wheels and high-performance tires are fitted. Every detail, from the handlebars and grips to the foot pegs and mirrors, is attached with care. This final assembly stage is a flurry of activity, as each bike is completed and prepared for its final inspection. It has traveled a long way from being a pile of scrap, and now it stands almost ready to prove its worth on the open road. Before any bike can earn the Primeline badge, it must pass a series of rigorous quality control tests. This isn't just a quick look over, it's an exhaustive examination. Every single bike is put on a dynamometer, a machine that acts like a rolling road. Here, inspectors run the engine through its paces, testing acceleration, horsepower, and torque. They check the brakes for stopping power and responsiveness. Every light is tested, every button is pushed, and every function of the digital display is verified. It's a top-to-bottom shakedown to ensure that the bike is mechanically and electronically perfect. After the performance testing, a different team of inspectors takes over for the final visual check. They go over the entire bike with a fine-tooth comb, looking for any cosmetic imperfections. They check the paint for any blemishes, ensure all the panels align perfectly, and polish every chrome surface until it gleams. Their job is to make sure that the bike not only performs like new, but looks even better. This attention to detail is what sets a Primeline bike apart. It's a testament to the pride our workers take in their craft, turning recycled materials into a premium, top-quality product that anyone would be proud to own. Once a bike has passed every single test and inspection, it receives its final approval. The official Primeline Industries emblem is affixed to the tank, a mark of quality, resilience, and rebirth. This badge signifies that the machine has completed its incredible journey, from a forgotten relic in a scrapyard to a cutting-edge power bike. It represents countless hours of hard work, a fusion of dirty jobs and high technology, and a deep commitment to sustainability. Each bike is a rolling testament to the idea that with the right process, the end of one road is just the beginning of another. The final scene at Primeline is one of immense satisfaction. The finished power bikes roll off the assembly line, their engines humming with a quiet promise of adventure. Lined up in perfect rows, they gleam under the factory lights, a colorful fleet ready for new riders and new horizons. These machines are more than just transport, they are symbols of a smarter, more sustainable future. They prove that you can build something incredible without starting from scratch. From a boneyard of scrap to a showroom of speed, the Primeline Power Bike revolution is ready to hit the road, one recycled masterpiece at a time.